This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Charlotte Wells. Don't miss out on this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath single-level home. Open concept accommodates entertaining, yet it's small enough for easy maintenance. Slate entry, vaulted ceilings, open concept kitchen, dining, living space, even has a gas fireplace. Master with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Private fenced backyard and great location. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Wells at 360-398-6800.